Hello there. So you want to know how to use eBay international shipping option? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So according to eBay, let me just show you, there is an international shipping program. However, in order to join it, you need to be eligible sellers in the US and Canada only. So if you're eligible, you will be opted into the program. eBay International Shipping will become your default international shipping when you don't offer any other international shipping services, and will automatically add eBay International Shipping to your current listing. Simple as that. And now, in order for you to go ahead and verify, all you need to do is have an above standard or top rated seller performance, eligible for seller protections, low or average service metrics, and compliant with eBay rules and policy. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.